Hello! Today I'm going to be trying to make tasty desserts you can make in the microwave. I will be judging based on appearance, taste, and is it worth making this. We're going to start with the cinnamon roll for episode 1 because I love cinnamon rolls. I'm following Tasty's recipe exactly and I'm not cutting any ingredients or changing up anything. So let's start with adding our milk. Well, not off to a great start here, but let's keep going. So I expected it to be like a really easy dessert to whip up in like 5 minutes, but nope. My dough was very sticky, especially compared to theirs in the video. I had to add like an additional 4 teaspoons of flour so that it'd be easier to work with. Okay, so now that I have my dough, I put it on a workspace, generously floured because it was really sticky. It was like sticking to my hands the whole time. Yeah, not the best dough to work with. Anyways, after vigorously rolling,
A few moments later.
I finally got it to be the nice dough that I wanted to be. And then I rolled it out like the video said to do. And then I put on brown sugar first. Actually, Tasty put on cinnamon first. I'm not sure if that would affect anything, but yeah. So I'm just gonna fast forward here so you guys don't get bored watching me do this. And now we're gonna roll our cinnamon roll up. So I sealed the cinnamon roll up and then added some water. I didn't really know what liquid they used. I just assumed it was gonna be water and then popped it in the microwave for 90 seconds. Okay, so at first glance it doesn't look that great, but I give it an 8. The brown sugar and cinnamon kind of like exploded in the mug. I don't really mind the appearance as long as it tastes good. Leave a comment down below if anything like this has happened to you and how well it turned out if you ever tried this recipe. Now it was like very hard and it was not fluffy or soft as I want a cinnamon roll to be, and so that kind of was a disappointment. Also, here's a close-up of my mug. The cinnamon roll itself, taste-wise, it was okay. The first bite was actually really good, but it had a really bitter aftertaste. And it's very dry inside, as you can see. I'd probably add more water and microwave it in intervals. So overall taste, maybe a 6 out of 10. Here's a close-up. You can still see the flour on it. And yeah, that's not great. But otherwise, is it worth it? I guess if you're making it once for yourself and you're really in a rush, I guess it's not bad. Here's a side-by-side close-up view. Also, this is just based on my own personal experience. This might be better for other people. On the next episode, we're making strawberry cobbler. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye!